CapCut or Runway ML, two of the biggest names in AI video editing, but which one actually delivers in 2025? On the left, CapCut, user-friendly, creative AI video editing for everyone. And on the right, Runway ML, cutting-edge generative AI for professional filmmakers. Let's skip the industry hype and get straight to the details that matter. We'll break it down by category, scoring each round, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. And believe me, the winner might not be the one you expect. So here's our roadmap today. We'll be comparing CapCut and Runway ML across all the key categories, like features and AI tools, ease of use, creativity and AI generation, pricing, export and sharing, and, oh, who really wins for best four? Just to keep things spicy. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with features and AI tools. CapCut comes in pretty strong for everyday creators, offering all the essentials: trimming, merging, tons of effects. And oh, there's AI script writing, auto caption, even text-to-speech. Not bad, right? Plus, those AI stickers and motion tracking. So fun for social content. But heads up, it's more for the masses than actual filmmakers. You'll also need decent hardware to really get that AI running smoothly. Now, Runway ML is honestly on another level here. We're talking next-gen text-to-video with those Gen 3 and Gen 4 models. Motion brush, camera controls, even in-painting, like literally editing details inside your footage. Visual style locking, cinematic VFX tools, seriously advanced. Downside though, there's no built-in audio editor, so you may have to juggle files. And yeah, steep learning curve warning. Overall, Runway ML snags the edge for pure feature depth. Next up, ease of use. Okay, CapCut is basically the poster child for simplicity. You've got drag and drop everything, onboarding is crazy quick, and honestly, if you can click a mouse, you're in business. The flip side, for filmmakers who want every bell and whistle, it might feel a little basic. Almost too breezy. Then, Runway ML, on the other hand, is, well, it's not for the faint-hearted. If you want creative control, this is your playground. But the UI can be a bit overwhelming, especially those advanced features. Be ready to spend some time here if you want to master it. So, CapCut takes this round for being super user-friendly. Let's talk creativity and AI generation. CapCut offers AI-driven script writing and text-to-video for short content, plus automatic overlay and background removal. It's pretty cool, but honestly, it just can't match the wild generative capabilities that Runway ML brings. Runway's got industry-leading text-to-video and image-to-video models, reference image-based visual coherence, and precision controls that let you literally shape the story frame by frame. But full disclosure, the creative tools, as awesome as they are, do take a little effort to figure out. So yeah, Runway ML totally wins the creativity and AI generation head-to-head. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Runway's Gen 4 Turbo model can turn a single photo into a cinematic video scene in, like, seconds? Mind-blowing, right? That's next-level stuff in video AI. On to pricing. Yay! The part nobody likes, but everybody has to deal with. CapCut shines here. You get a comprehensive free tier with most features unlocked. And if you want to go all in, paid plans are affordable, so you won't break the bank. The only real caveat is you'll need to be online for those fancy AI bits. Runway ML, meanwhile, does have a free plan, but it's basically, limited credits for testing. Monthly pricing is flexible if you're pro, but those heavy pro features, pricey. And the pay-per-credit model, it might make your wallet sweat if you edit a lot. CapCut grabs the win for pricing. No contest. Export and sharing. CapCut knocks it out of the park here. One click and bam, your video's on TikTok or YouTube. Tons of export formats, custom settings. Basically, you're set. As for Runway ML, free export gets you up to 1080p, which is solid. And if you upgrade, the watermark goes away. Big plus. But the limits in the free tier can kind of hold you back. So honestly, CapCut's sharing is just easier and way more flexible. Last but not least, best four. CapCut's basically built for content creators, marketers, beginners, anybody who wants to punch out lots of videos fast. Not really aimed at film professionals or anyone messing with advanced VFX. Switch to Runway ML, and now we're talking about pro filmmakers, VFX artists, production teams, anyone who wants to push boundaries. Of course, if you just want quick edits, probably overkill. So honestly, these two cover totally different crowds, and it's a tie here. Pick what fits your tribe. Okay, quick recap on our radar chart. Runway ML comes out ahead in features and creativity, but CapCut is the real MVP when it comes to ease of use, affordability, and fast sharing. So if you're chasing cinematic power, Runway's the move. But for everyday content, CapCut is king. So, bottom line, choose CapCut if you want fast, creative video editing with AI help and super simple sharing. But if you're craving those advanced generative tools for visual storytelling or professional VFX, go with Runway ML. Pick what matters most for your creative style. All right, which AI video tool matches your creative vibe? Take them both for a spin. Who knows? Maybe you'll unlock your next masterpiece. Go ahead, get editing.